Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. I'm down here in Axel's workshop. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, which seems to be happening every 4 or 5 days in February for us, February 2021 already, believe it or not. And I was down here doing some other stuff, making some other videos and getting some work done around the house when I went to use some silicone spray. Now somebody had bought me in like a almost like a basket of man stuff more than 10 years ago. It was for my 40th birthday. They had made like a big Easter basket full of stuff, but it was all full of manly stuff, stuff to work in around the house, in the workshop, in the garage, on the car, stuff like that. So this was in it, and I had it up on the shelf, and I had used it a couple times over the last year or so, and I went to go use it, and that's what I get. That's what I get out of the spray. And there's that hack that you can recharge these. You pull the button off, or whatever you call it, the nozzle off, right? So that you got that left on there. And they claim you can take some air and you can recharge these back up with air. So they say you go right over, I guess this little rubber tip will work pretty good. You go right over the opening and you press. As soon as I start pressing it, a little bit comes out though, so maybe I gotta put air first. Anyway, they say you can charge them with air. I think I'm gonna make a mess, but I've never tried this, always wanted to, so I'm gonna start spraying the air first, then I'm gonna press down, and let's see if that did anything. Oh wow. It worked. That's kind of funny. I didn't think it was going to work. Alright, well, there you go. That's simple. It worked on the silicone lube. Alright, regular air. There's probably about I hear my compressor running. There's probably about 60 pounds of air in the line. Apply the air before you depress the thing so that if there's any residual pressure, it doesn't come flying back up at you while you're trying to get it and you're wasting product. But I started applying the air, I pushed the thing down, the rubber tip on my spray gun actually made a nice good seal on it, and I just left it for a couple seconds and it's working. And if it goes out again, shit, that was easy. I didn't expect that to work at all. So there you go, one of those hacks that actually work, because we've been trying a couple of hacks lately and none of them have worked. This one actually worked and I'm pretty happy about it. Let me know in the comments below if it's ever worked for you. If you've tried a stupid hack like this and it has worked, I'd love to hear about it because I'd love to try them. I like trying these silly hacks, especially you can see how happy I am, especially when they actually work. That's all we got tonight from Axel's Garage. As always guys, thanks for watching.